next few minutes you're with Mitali. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to check my latest video, which is about Sri Lanka. So the story is I recently relocated to Perth. Perth is in the western edge of Australia. And in this video, I'll show you a glimpse of this beautiful place, take you to Kings Park and give you my house tour. So, drums rolling, let's go. So I came to Perth in July, which is monsoon here. So most of the days had an overcast of dark clouds. But slowly behind those dark clouds started emerging the pristine landscape of this easygoing megacity of Australia, which by the way would never fail to show you some magical rainbows and beautiful sunsets if you ever decide to be here. So by now you must have realized that Perth has a wonderful weather. No wonder why this city is laid back. Who doesn't want to enjoy this weather? Who is in a rush here? Nobody. Just look around. I have this whole place to myself. I mean, just have a look. Can someone just freeze this moment for me, please? Ah, finally I see someone. My beautiful feathered friends. Perth has a lot to offer people: green parklands, huge Swan River and pristine beaches. Today let me take you to Kings Park, the biggest city park in the world. Yes, it's bigger than New York's Central Park and London's Hyde Park. So be ready for some sweeping city views. And now it's time for a quick house tour. for watching. I'll be uploading more videos on Perth. There is so much more left to explore. And if you enjoyed this video, please do consider hitting the like button. Bye-bye. Perth has a lot to offer. Clear blue monsoon season here. So most of the days had an overcast. So by now you must have realized that Perth has a beautiful weather. No, I want to call it wonderful. It is wonderful.